stunning website we're building today. It's fully responsive and looks great. Just type your prompt and watch it generate live. No coding required, just pure live generation. And we are published successfully. Bolt build an even better site? Before we begin, one quick thing. Every section of this video showcases a completely different AI-generated website. This is to give you fresh ideas and inspiration. If you've been thinking about creating your own website,
what you're looking at wasn't designed by hand. It started with a single sentence, and in the next minute, I'll show you exactly how it was created.
instead of writing code, I'm simply describing the website I want. The more detailed the prompt, the better the AI understands the project.
This is Firebase Studio, Google's AI-powered development workspace. No templates, no pre-built project, just an idea waiting to become a website. Now the AI is transforming that description into real website components, layouts, and functionality, all automatically.
In less than a minute, the homepage is ready. It features a clean layout and modern styling. It already looks production-ready.
A good website should work on every device. The mobile version is generated automatically without creating a separate design.
Need changes? Just ask the AI. Here I'm updating the colors and adding a reservation section without manually editing the layout.
The AI also creates supporting pages, keeping the navigation, spacing, and visual style consistent across the entire website.
Once everything looks right, publishing is quick and straightforward, making your project accessible online in just a few steps.
From a blank workspace to a polished website, this workflow shows how AI can speed up development while leaving room for your own creativity.
If you found this helpful, subscribe and join me as I test more AI website builders to see which one delivers the best results.